easier. Why it is easier? Because a student no need additional book. Now digital textbooks are available in internet, and all information, all resources are available in the internet, like Wikipedia. Wikipedia has huge, and we know that Google search engine, where we can search many things within a second. So there are a lot of resources to learn, and device is handy. All of students now use a smartphone, and they can use it learning purpose. And smarts are trendy, and also uh, creative attraction. Student and as well as guardian can expect